Let's take a look at how the price flow or the point of sale quoting process actually is laid out within ParPrice. This is definitely kind of the one of the main features of ParPrice is the ability for a rep to be able to really go into a home, pull up and create pricing for a customer right there very quickly. Let's take a look at how it's designed. So the first option you want to do is you'll click plus down at the bottom. You'll choose quote. Typically you would add a client, give it a title, and then start choosing your products. So let's just take a look at how it's laid out. So I'm going to click add products, and you'll immediately see it's very visual. Everything is laid out right in front of you. All of your different service categories. This is a test account, so there's a lot of services listed within here that will typically not be typical companies not going to have this many different service types. The main category is going to be their main core services. So windows, doors, or maybe siding and roofing. So most companies are only going to have around 3 to 4 main services, but they can have more. But typically speaking, they tend to focus on a few specialty type services. So that's what they're going to see first and foremost. When a rep clicks on add products, first and foremost, they just choose what type of service they're looking to add. Let's choose Windows. When I choose Windows, we break it down to who's the manufacturer. What type of window product are you selling? So it's, again, very visual. It's right in front of you. Let's choose Anderson. Right when I choose Anderson, now it's going to break it down to, okay, what type of Anderson windows are you selling? Let's choose 100 series, and then it just walks them through the entire quoting process to select interior color, to what type of window now. So let's choose our window type. Let's choose single hung. So now immediately I've priced and built that quote for the entire type of product, the manufacturer, the style, the colors, etc. And now I just have to choose my quantities. So I can quickly just choose my different quantities for single hung and then choose add more and just continue building out my quote. So now I'll choose gliders, which is another type of window type, and add some more info there. I can just continue building my quote until I'm completely finished with that project. And then I hit next and I save. It's got a summary of everything I've added. I can save my data, but that is completely designed and created around each individual company's products, manufacturers, services, etc. So we actually take their product list or their pricing list, whether it's delivered to us in Excel, paper pricing books, another pricing software, and we just integrate it within ParPrice and create those structures and those flows and create that point of sale type flow for them, so they don't have to go in and update all of this and add all of this content which can become very troublesome for some of the companies. But that's how the pricing flow is structured. It's very visual, very point and click, and it allows a rep to be able to price an entire project out really in seconds.